Hi everyone, Nancy Novak here. Welcome to my live Facebook webcast. Today I am working with the cat punch. There's the cat punch. And I posted a couple of things that we're going to be making tonight. This is something else that I did not post that we're going to start off with. So let's just get started. Welcome. I'm happy you're here. So the cat punch. Use it for all different kinds of projects. I've made lots of cards over the last year or so using the cat punch. Here is one of them. So this also uses the jar of love. And then I have this one, happiness is a mouse shared with a friend. I got mixed reactions on that one. I think it's cute though. And then our friendship is a work of art. So let's get started. So here we go. We've got a banner. Now what I do is, I wasn't sure if I was going to make this with you guys or not, but the girls at work love the banners. We post them in our little work areas, and I make them for different occasions. So I've made Halloween, Christmas, and so now I thought I would make this one just to show you how easy it is. So I just have a piece of coordinating ribbon, and I punched out 5 cats, and I punched out 5 cats in Whisper White. This is the thick cardstock, and all I'm going to do is glue them onto the white real quick. Whoops, got some glue on my white mat there. So I just glued them on. Use the glue because then it's easy to move, so you can line it up so you don't see the white behind it. So here we go. I'll do another one real quick. Maybe I shouldn't have started off with glue right in the beginning. My hands are probably going to be sticky the whole time I'm doing my projects. That's not fun. So anyway, I hope you had a great week. I'm glad you're here with me. So this is the Melon Mambo and some fresh floral designer series paper, and just use whatever you have on hand. The cat punch is great for scraps, and as you've heard me say before, I always save my scraps because even the littlest ones seem to come in handy. So then I just took my glue dots and I put a glue dot on the back in the same spot of the cat. I usually put it right around the neck of the cat. And I want a little bit left over at the end because that's where I'm going to put my my sentiment. And I just do that. Actually, what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to start in the middle, so I end up, and I'm going to put the glue dot right on this ribbon. Be a little bit easier to line it up. And just lay the cat down. Use my paper snips to take that glue dot off. I'm going to make this one a little closer than my other one. Glue dot on my white pad there. Let's move this one down. Yeah, it's easier if you put it on the ribbon. That way you see where you're lining everything up. These are cute too. You can put magnets on the little end pieces. Okay, last one. And then I brought in the sentiment from Lovely Wishes. So I'm going to stamp, "You warm my heart," and wishing you a lovely day. The kitty cats are sticking. So depending obviously on what thickness of ribbon you use, Got to be careful with your glue dots. Okay, so I'm going to bring in Melon Mambo, stamp my 2 sentiments, and then I'm going to punch that out with 1.5 inch punch. Then I'm going to bring in the Starburst punch, punch out 2 of those. So I think the girls will be happy that I'm going to update the banner that we have at work, because I don't think I've changed it for a while. And then I'm just going to snail this on the back. Quick and easy. And I just taped it. I've taped it on the back, and I've also popped it up on dimensionals. Oops. Nothing fancy, but it's really cute. I like it. So there you go. Cute little banner. Here's the one I made last night. So anyways, that's it.